Alright, guys, beautiful Thursday morning, and now that I have some time from my professional practice as an artist, I mean, this year I'm not doing anything, probably any art anymore, but I'll be probably concentrating on the bikes now, on finishing this build, yeah, for the rest of this year. So, yeah, before I show you what we have, maybe I could first show you what I scored last time when I went to look for some bike stuff. So I got this tool bag, very strong leather, very thick, vintage-ish. Like we always like it in the shopper world. Yeah, I think it'll do the trick. You should go on that bike next time. Maybe right here on the swing arm. So yeah, for now, on the frame is I just mark where I'm supposed to cut to make the hardtail. I need to do that. But now what's been occupying me is the engine, the motor. I've been piecing together. This thing has been a bitch. But yeah, at least I got some help from a team of 3 people who've been doing these things before me, and they helped me, put together this bottom end. Now it's the trick was in the gear, the transmission, just right down here. It had some issues actually. It wasn't working properly when we put it in. One of the forks, this it was stuck. It is stuck. It's supposed to move a little bit. Just have some little slack in here. So somebody got me another one. I had to buy another one and put in. The transmission should move very well. It's very good now. I had to get some help from them to, put some of the things together here on the alternator side. It was tricky. Putting together an engine is a whole other thing. It's a whole hassle. Yeah, but all the tough things done with them, and now we should be fine. It should be good now. So yeah, we're to just put on the top end. Yeah, let me see where we can take it from. I should be done with this, and then I put it away for some time. Home is busy now. I have a function coming up, a wedding, additional wedding. So I have to put my things away. This engine together today. Yeah. All the tough stuff is done. So yeah.